question which has the least pH in the given equation. Earlier we have discussed which of the following has the largest pH. 0.1 NaCl and 1 N acetic acid, 0.1 N NaOH or 0.01 NaOH. So this NaOH is having pH value 1. So pH plus pH is equal to 14 pKw. So that is why pH is equal to 13. So NaOH is having 10 to power minus 1. NaOH is having largest pH, followed by this. It is having 10 to power minus 2 OH ion concentration. So pOH will be equal to pOH is equal to 2. So pH plus pOH. So pH minus pOH is equal to, directly I have written pH is equal to 14 minus pH, that is equal to 14 minus 2, that's so pH here 12. So it is having 13 pH, it is having 12 pH. Now we have to think about 0.1 N acetic HCl and 0.1 N acetic acid. It is assumed that 10 to power minus 1 m HCl is fully ionized, so it is having molar concentration is 10 to power minus 1. pH is equal to minus log of H positive, so log of minus log of 10 raised to power negative 1, that is equal to 1. So but since HCl is fully ionized, so hydrogen ion concentration will be the largest, so H positive will be the least. So in this case HCl will be the least. 1 m HCl is the least. This is least pH. Why? Because, and this is having largest pH. NaOH is having largest pH. So first ranking is to NaOH largest, then second one is this 0.01 NaOH, and third is this, because although it looks like that it is also 0.1 N acetic acid, that is 0.1 m acetic acid, and pH is looking to be 1, but since it is a weak electrolyte, weak acid, so it is partially dissociated. Okay, that is why this pH is not equal to, exactly it is not equal to 1. I have written this, so pH is little more than 1. Okay, so which is having least pH? HCl. HCl is having least pH because it is fully ionized, so hydrogen ion concentration will be more, and pH and hydronium ion are inversely related. Okay, if H ion concentration will be more, pH will be least. Okay, so 1 N HCl, that is 1 m HCl, N factor is 1 replaceable H, that is why it is having H ion concentration 10 to power minus 1, so minus log of 10 to power minus 1 is equal to 1. So least pH of